Welcome to today's video, where we'll be exploring the top 5 air fryers that will elevate your cooking experience and help you make crispy, delicious meals in no time. Let's dive right in, starting with our first pick. First up, we have the Emeril Lagasse 26 QT Extra Large Air Fryer and Convection Toaster Oven. This air fryer isn't just any appliance. It's a versatile multi-cooker that can handle everything from air frying snacks to roasting meals for a crowd. With a 26-quart capacity, it's perfect for large families or gatherings. You can easily roast a 6-lob chicken or bake a 12-inch pizza with plenty of room to spare. The stainless steel exterior gives it a sleek, modern look that complements any kitchen decor, while the French doors open with just one pull, adding a touch of elegance. This air fryer features 25 cooking presets, including options like ribs, chicken, pizza, and even slow cook or bake, offering great versatility. The dual-speed fan and 360° superheated air circulation ensure that you get that perfect crispy texture every time, making it a great tool for everything from healthy fries to baked goods. Plus, the automatic shutoff when the toast timer ends means you never have to worry about burnt toast again. And with over 30,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that this model is a customer favorite. Now, moving on to our second product, the Nuwave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven. This 12-in-1 powerhouse is a must-have for anyone who loves cooking with precision and versatility. The Nuwave Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven is designed for those who want complete control over their cooking. With its 30-quart capacity, this air fryer can easily accommodate large meals, from roasting a whole chicken to baking a pizza or even dehydrating your favorite fruits. Plus, with 1,800 watts of power, it cooks your food faster and more evenly. One of the standout features of this model is its adjustable temperature controls, allowing you to set temperatures from 50 degrees to 500 degrees in precise 5 degrees increments. Thanks to its patented linear thermal technology, the Bravo ensures consistent temperature throughout the cooking process, so you never have to worry about temperature fluctuations. The integrated digital temperature probe is another game changer. It constantly monitors your food's internal temperature and automatically ends the cooking process once your desired doneness is achieved, ensuring perfect results every time. With 112 preset cooking functions, this air fryer can handle everything from grilling and air frying to baking, broiling, roasting, and even toasting. Plus, it has an additional 100 pre-programmed recipe presets, allowing you to save your own favorite recipes for future use. This air fryer doesn't just perform, it's built to last. The high-quality construction includes a heat-resistant tempered glass door, durable cooking racks, and a non-stick enamel baking pan with broiler rack, crumb tray, and air fry basket. And with over 8,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that this air fryer toaster oven is a favorite among home chefs. Next up, we have a sleek and powerful option for those looking for versatility and convenience: the Cuisinart Air Fryer plus Convection Toaster Oven. Toei 70 is an all-in-one appliance designed to make cooking a breeze. With 1,800 watts of power, it's equipped with an air fry setting as well as options for toasting, convection baking, broiling, grilling, and more, making it perfect for nearly every cooking need. This toaster oven has a generous 0.6 cubic feet capacity, meaning you can toast up to 6 slices of bread, air fry 3 pounds of chicken wings, bake a 12-inch pizza, or even roast a 4-pound chicken. The wide temperature range, from warm to 450 degrees, ensures that you can cook at just the right temperature for any recipe. The adjustable temperature dial, 60-minute timer with auto shutoff, and toast shade selector allow for precise cooking control, so your meals come out just the way you like them. The oven also includes an oven light, oven rack, baking pan, air fry basket, and grill, plus a non-stick easy clean interior for easy cleanup. With over 10,000 units sold last month, this popular and affordable appliance is a great deal at 26% off. Now let's take a look at another top choice, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro 4-in-1. A perfect option for this air fryer features Air Crisp technology, which uses 400 degree F superheated air to surround your food, delivering hot, crispy results with little to no oil. It has a large 5QT non-stick basket and crisper plate, capable of cooking up to 4 hlobs of French fries or 5 hlobs of chicken wings. With its 4-in-1 functionality, air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, it's perfect for a variety of meals. This air fryer is designed for guilt-free fried foods, reducing up to 75% less fat compared to traditional frying methods. Plus, it's perfect for cooking frozen foods in just minutes, achieving that extra crispy finish you crave. Designed for convenience, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro is also a space saver, helping you keep your countertop clutter-free. Both the basket and crisper plate are non-stick for easy cleanup, and the package includes a chef-inspired 20-recipe book and cooking charts. With 50,000 plus units sold last month, this popular model delivers healthy, crispy meals fast, and at 25% off, it's a great deal. Looking for a versatile air fryer that does it all? Meet the COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1. With its 6 cute capacity, this air fryer is perfect for families, able to cook everything from crispy French fries to juicy chicken wings with up to 95% less oil. That's right, enjoy all your favorite fried foods without the guilt. Thanks to Turbo Blaze technology, this air fryer delivers a 3,600 RPM fan speed and reaches temperatures up to 450 degrees, ensuring your food is cooked perfectly every time. Whether you're air frying, roasting, baking, or even broiling, the 9 versatile cooking functions give you everything you need to create delicious meals in no time. Plus, the 5-level fan speed and precise temperature control ensure evenly cooked meals with the ideal texture every time. The 6-quart square basket gives you plenty of space to prepare meals for the whole family, while its compact design means it won't take up too much room in your kitchen. And with a quieter operation at under 53 dB, you'll barely notice it's even running. With over 30,000 units sold last month, the COSORI 9-in-1 air fryer is a top choice for those looking to cook healthier, crispier meals in less time. And with 25% off,